People in Missouri are about to have their chance to roll up their sleeves. Tonight, the state is entering its second phase of COVID-19 vaccine distribution and what will help administer thousands of more shots.
A large shipment from a vaccine expected from the federal government. Those doses going to phase 1B will break down into several different tiers. News 4's Caroline Hecker breaks down who's eligible in the next round.
In less than a week, more than 2.5 million Missourians will be eligible for their COVID-19 vaccine. Now, the governor's vaccination distribution team says all of this depends on supply, but it is hopeful by the time it receives its next large shipment from the federal government, the plan for phase 1B will already be in motion. Beginning Thursday, an additional 200,000 Missouri residents now have the green light to receive their COVID-19 vaccine. Tier 1 of phase 1B includes first responders, people working in emergency services, and public health employees. On Monday, Tier 2 will be rolled out, encompassing more than 2 million people. Those over the age of 65 and all adults with certain comorbidities like cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and even pregnant women will be eligible for the vaccine.
Moving forward in the state at a faster pace than what we thought we would. I think, again, I want to emphasize this all coincides with the plan we've had in place since October, how we're executing this.
The state does not currently have enough doses of the vaccine to cover everyone in phase 1B, but it wants to be ready when the next shipment arrives. So far, the governor's team says around 40% of healthcare workers in phase 1A have received their first dose of the vaccine. And it estimates all nursing homes in the state will have received their first round by January 25th.
I think it's a reminder to everyone that you have to understand the demand is much higher than the supply. And the supply is such an unknown because it's coming from the federal level.
So far, more than 190,000 doses have made their way into the arms of Missourians. Phase 1B has a third and final tier, and included in that is several sectors, including education. That's everyone from teachers to bus drivers to custodians. But the state says it's not quite ready to roll that Tier 3 out just yet. In Jefferson City, Caroline Hecker, News 4.